The Defense Logistics Agency's origins can be traced to World War II, but the functions and facilities of DLA's major subordinate commands go back even further. The Philadelphia Quartermaster Depot was established in 1926, but DLA troop support traces its roots to the 1799 construction of the Schuylkill Arsenal, a warehouse for guns, ammunition, and other supplies. It also supplied clothing and textiles during the War of 1812. In 1818, it gave up its ammunitions mission to focus on clothing and textiles. 100 years later, in 1918, the Columbus General Depot, a small post in central Ohio, was built to support America's forces in World War I. After numerous name changes, Defense Supply Center Columbus was established in 1962. DLA Land and Maritime now provides support to U.S. forces and federal agencies worldwide. Also, in 1918, the New Cumberland Army Depot began operating just outside Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, in Building Number 1. In 1991, the Army transferred its warehouses, their contents, and the newly built Eastern Distribution Center to DLA. Years later, DLA consolidated its warehouses and renamed the headquarters DLA Distribution. DLA Aviation's name has changed many times since its activation in 1942, but its gate off Route 1 in Richmond, Virginia remains a familiar sight. First activated as a depot under the Department of the Army, it received, stored, and supplied quartermaster, medical, and engineering items. DLA Disposition Services began as the Defense Property Disposal Service. Its current home in South Central Michigan was the Battle Creek Sanitarium, a civilian hospital, in 1903. The Army bought the buildings early in World War II to create the largest Army hospital of the war. DLA Energy began in World War II as the Defense Fuel Supply Center, part of the Department of the Interior. In 1945, it joined the War Department and became the Joint Army-Navy Purchasing Agency. Several name changes later, in 1962, it joined the new Defense Supply Agency at Cameron Station in Alexandria, Virginia. Headquartered in the Andrew T. McNamara Building, the Defense Logistics Agency has a proud history of supporting the warfighter. DLA's strength has always been synchronized action and fierce dedication to the mission by every member of the team. The Defense Logistics Agency, supporting the warfighter for more than 50 years.